Hi guys, today we're going to do another unboxing on MX Master 3S by Logitech. This particular version is for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iPad OS and Android. I've always been curious. I'm not going to go through the many details on the outside. I mean, there's a lot of text, but I've purchased this version only because I'm planning to use Mac Mini, and the Magic Mouse is not something which I like. I've used it before, and it's just the ergonomics of it are it doesn't feel comfortable. Probably you know yourselves. Now, I've got an MX Master 3. And I'm just curious what's the difference between the two, why this is classed for Mac OS. I don't know what makes it different. So we're just going to get straight into it. Just quickly into this. Ultimate, I don't know if you can read this. It says here, ultimate productivity now with quiet click and track on glass 8K DPI sensor. So we'll see that. We'll test out how quickly quiet it is. Anything else? What's in the box? We got the mouse, dongle, charging cable, and we also got the manual, start guide and warranty guide as well. It also says that quick charge in 1 minute for 3 hours of use. Full charge lasts up to 70 days. Okay, which is quite good to be fair. Okay, just gonna. I like these peeling tabs. They're so comfortable. Let's take this out. Okay. Move out of the way. Okay. Eco-friendly packaging, all cardboard. Put that to one side. Okay. Just pull this down. And ta-da! Okay, some protecting padding on. Wow, okay. So that is in the box. Your USB dongle, which is quite nice to have. You got the cable with the warranty cards and everything, the manual instructions. Okay. Create the ultimate setup by Logitech. I'm just looking through this. Yeah, nothing interesting, just explore. Cardboard, move that away. The cable, it's actually quite nice. So it's USB A to USB-C. There's a bit of a logo on it. The cable tie is actually nice as well. Like a Velcro cable tie. Let's see how long it is. I'm just curious. That's decent length, that. I think that's a meter long cable, or approximately about 3 feet. So going through this, I'm just going to look at this particular section. So you can actually, so they've done, okay, so this is probably the rights to repair part of it. It doesn't say anything, but there's like a small guide. I don't know if you can see that. I'll just zoom in closely. It shows you how you can take the mouse apart in order to replace the LiPo battery. So it explains which screws you need to remove. So you got 6 screws you need to remove, and then once you take the top cover off, you've got another 3 screws to remove in order to get to the battery, which you can then recycle. It's actually quite nice. So when you get a bit to a point where it doesn't hold much charge, you can always replace it. But from my personal experience, my mouse battery lasts for quite a long time, even after many years. We're not going to go through the warranty information. I don't intend. Okay. So this is the mouse. I'm sure you've seen it before. I've seen it at least. We'll peel this tab off. There's a bit of an instruction here. So Logi bolts. This is the dongle that they're referring to. Connect to the system that you use in either laptop or PC or Mac. Switch the switch on, and you're ready to go. The other option is on via Bluetooth. Go to your settings, Bluetooth settings, and then pair it with your master, and that's it. You've got a bit of a guide on this website here. I don't know if you can see that. I should have zoom closer, like, sorry guys. Apologies, that was a bit not very professional on my side. So I'll pull this off. Yeah. So again, as usual, you've got the toggle switch for on and off. You've got your laser sensor, and you've got your button to switch between devices and to pair with 3 different devices at the same time. It's rated for 5 volts and 500 milliamps and made in China. Surprise. You've got the USB-C. Yeah, that's about it. So let me go through the feeling. Yeah, the clicks are actually quiet. Let me try it next to my, I don't know if you can hear them. Yeah, they are quiet. So you got obviously your side scroll, which is nice. Metal scroll. I can't live without this side scroll, especially for sheets, spreadsheets. You've got your other scroll there with the magnetic frill. See, previously you can actually control this on this one, where you can't. On this one it's like free spinning. Oh no, it's kind of, does it slow it down? I can't really tell. You got your back and forward buttons, and you also got your main button for additional functions. You can install the app, and it's going to allow you, I think, to match buttons with other different actions. And yeah, that's about it. So it's exactly the same. I don't really see what makes it this a Mac mouse. I think it's just a bit of a crap about being maybe compatibility, maybe some of the function like the side scroll not working on the other mouse. So we'll test it, give it a go, and see how it goes. But for now, I hope you like this video. If you do like this kind of content, I know my videos are a bit boring and they're a bit, what's the right word? They're a bit like too basic. But there's a reason why this is called Basic Unboxing Show, because I don't work with scripts. I don't actually read any scripts whatsoever. I just go through the product, unbox it in front of yourself. It's not being pre-unboxed where I know what to expect and what to talk about. So, well, I kind of do. I know I'm talking about mouse in this case, but none of this is made before the actual video itself. So you're getting very, what's the right word? Organic content, where there's not much fakeness or, made up words and stuff like that, which I hope some of you will appreciate. Now, what's my feeling about the item, and I'll conclude it with this. Now, I probably need to start including this into my videos. Now, I really like this mouse. I like the Logi Master versions, MX versions mouses. They just feel good in my hands. My hand can rest properly on it, and obviously the side scroll is a massive bonus to me. But I can really rest my hand on it, and it feels that comfortable in comparison with everything else that's on the market. I think there's different versions. I'm not saying this is the best product, but I've got this ideology when I stick to things that I know they work. I don't like really experimenting with other brands, which I should, because we need more diversity with products. I think locking ourselves to a single ecosystem is not really ideal. You always need a bit of everything, to be fair to, and it's more interesting as well. It's more interesting, and I hope by making these videos I'll get to a point to where I can get more different products which I can review and open. All these products are not sponsored. All these items that you see, the unboxed items, they're bought by myself, or maybe some of my colleagues tend to give me items to look at and just do a bit of organic review and unboxing. But none of my videos are sponsored, so which is good, because I can really give subjective opinion on the product. But I'm hoping to get to a point where this channel can provide some kind of an income with which I can purchase more items and look at other brands, more affordable brands, because I'm sure there's stuff out there which is as good and not as expensive, but I don't really have the ability to risk it, so to say, in order to make a review for them. So all these items that you see that I get in a box, I tend to use them for my own use, personal use. So I try to stick to certain things that I know they work. So apologies for that. And yeah, I've made this video a bit too long. I wasn't aiming to get 10 minutes. I'm not really aiming for any 10 minutes on any of my videos, but they tend to stretch a bit too long because again, no script, which takes more time. So I do hope you like this content. Apologies for my accent. And if you did like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care. Goodbye.